anti-aircraft, anti-tank, and demolition. I'm the team leader for the Orange team. I'm the shop supervisor and safety compliance officer for Mossy Toyota. What we have here is a 2003 Camry. Apparently it had a oil and filter change at some independent shop. It appears that all the oil dropped out of the engine, and because of a lack of lubrication in the engine, the parts begin to start to scrub. The connecting rod to one of the pistons, which goes up and down inside the engine, broke and knocked a big hole inside the block. We have seen it on occasion. It's very rare. I've been with Toyota for 28 years. I'm a Toyota master. Really be aggressive, to accomplish tasks, leadership, those sorts of things. Yes.